Hey everybody, it's Lindsay Jay back with another video, and today I am super excited because I'm testing out one of these hacks that I saw on my Instagram. I think I've also seen it on TikTok as well, so I really want to try and see if it really works. I think it was a technique that JLO first started and then it started to become a trend online, so we'll test that out and see how it goes. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. We are 20,000 away from 100,000 subscribers, which I'm so excited about. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comment section what videos you guys want me to make and your thoughts on this video. I always love to hear what you guys have to say, and I try to respond to every single person. Without further ado, let's get on to the video.
A long life spent in a miserable way.
So this trend that I'm talking about here, that I've been seeing online, is basically where you do your concealing and your contour before you put on your foundation, which to me just sounds so weird and backwards, but we're gonna see how it goes, and based off of what I saw online, it looked really good, so I'm hoping that it will look good on me too. Just so that you guys know, before I always do my makeup, I make sure to wash my face and do my skincare routine so that I'm making sure to put all this product on top of a skin that is clean. I don't know why I had a hard time talking that sentence out, but I'm going with the Pat McGrath Labs primer. I really love this stuff. It's more of a stronger primer because I really like the lightweight Neutrogena primer as well. It's like a primer serum and it kind of glistens a little bit, which I really like, but I kind of want to go for a more high quality, stronger primer, and this consistency is a little thicker than the Neutrogena. The Neutrogena is more of like a serum, so oily, you know, very drippy and just a lot, and I don't want that right now. Since we're putting the foundation on after the concealer and contour, I feel like I want to wait to do my brows until after foundation. I feel like I might mess up my brows if I do it first right now and then blend everything out, and I don't want to get any product in my eyebrows. So we're going to wait until the end to do that. Should I do it? No, we shouldn't do that. So before I even go into the concealer and contour, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Camo color corrector, and it's like a peach color here. I get kind of dark under eye circles as well as some dark spots when it comes to acne, so I like to cover them up using this corrector. Okay, so since I have my face kind of covered, and this is honestly my first time using the color corrector, so I hope I'm doing this right, but now we're going to apply the concealer and the contour, blend all that out, and then we will step into our foundation. For my concealer, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty concealer. This is the faux filter concealer, and I really love this stuff. It's very good coverage, really nice product. Then for contour, I'm going into my Fenty Beauty color stick, which is in the color Truffle, and we will blend everything out and see how that goes. So now that everything is blended out, I mean, I guess I like the way it looks. I don't know how I'm feeling right now, but now we're gonna go into my Huda Beauty foundation in the color Biscotti, and we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, well, I kind of like it. I mean, I can see how there's a little bit of a contour and there's definitely more of a definition going on. I don't know if I would say I like this better than just doing all that afterwards, because I feel like I'm still gonna add some bronzer and really make it a little bit more intense because I feel like it's just not strong enough right now. Because we didn't really do much with the under eye, I'm gonna go ahead and set it with my Airspun loose face powder. So now I went and set everything in. I always like to add powder because I feel like it just holds everything in place. And in the past, I've noticed that I get a little bit more oily when I don't add powder, and things just kind of move around a little bit more when I don't set them with powder. By the way, I like to do my eyebrows using the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Soap Styler. I love this thing. It's super affordable. I got it at Target. You could probably find it at Target, Walmart, or CVS, you know, regular everyday makeup drugstore stuff. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows and we will come right back. Alright, so I finished up my eyebrows and I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup. Then we're gonna come back and then we're gonna see how we feel about the hack, I guess you can call this. I will be saying now though that I'm going to be adding blush, highlights, mascara, lashes, and contour. Really just bronzer, not real contour, but I'm going to contour with the bronzer and we'll come back. I love how this makeup looks. I think the life hack, again, I could live with or without that trick, but I still love the way that this makeup ended up looking. I would love for you guys to let me know what you think of this look in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of it. Do you think I did a good job or not? And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace on the streets!